Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen when your Nintendo Switch will not turn on. So your screen is going to be black like this. Now this could be an indication that you don't have any power, so the first thing you want to do is take like a phone charger or something like this, or however you charge your Nintendo Switch. You can plug it directly into the dock, and you just want to make sure that you are charging this for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Maybe your Nintendo Switch is completely dead, and that's why it's not charging. Otherwise, these controllers could be taking up some power too, so we want to disconnect these. So let's press the black buttons on the side here, and then remove the Joy-Con controllers. And then just charge it without the controllers attached with a phone cable like this. Then after about 15 to 20 minutes, go to the power button on the top. So here's the power button right next to volume. And you're going to hold this down. And just hold it down for about 30 seconds. So we're holding it down for about 30 seconds. And then after about 30 seconds, we can let go. Tap it once. Tap it twice. And then on your third tap right here, hold it down. And then your Nintendo Switch should power on. So it looks like mine just restarted when I went ahead and did that. So it will prompt it to restart or turn on. So maybe you actually have a frozen Nintendo Switch that's just frozen on a black screen or something like that. Maybe it's actually turned on or something. But go ahead and just try that. Charge it properly. Remove the controllers. And then hold it down. And then tap it. And then on the third tap, just hold it down again and see if it turns on or restarts the Nintendo Switch. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.